baráttu. Ekki alltaf auðvelt, svo ótrúlega þakklátur ég öllum þeim sem hafa lagt hönd á plóg.
I'm happy at the moment, I have to say. We are beating the polls. Not too long ago, people were saying we would come second. They said that we would have a left government. That's not going to happen. We fought back. We are the clear leader at the moment, and we will be the winner of this election. So I can't be anything else but happy.
Current Prime Minister has been under a lot of attacks during the elections, and he has prevailed quite well, and we can call it a quite defensive victory.